Today I'm doing an install on a storage bin for a 2019 Sea-DooTrixx. There's a bunch of years that are about the same. Anyway, you can get this online. I think I got this one from eBay, but you can find them sometimes on Amazon or some other websites. Should be roughly around 200 bucks, give or take. Anyway, this piece just drops into here. There's 2, 3, 5 holes that should line up with some little indentations down here. The indentations are for right in here for your drill, your 5.5 millimeter drill bit to pre-drill holes for the 7 Trixx screws that comes with the kit. And I think you use a Trixx 30, I believe. And anyway, this lower piece sits in here like this, lines up there. The lower part of the deflector, it's got the 5 holes that line up right over that. This holds that bottom piece in place, and you should be able to see all the 5 indentations line up. And then we'll take our 5.5 millimeter drill bit and we will just drill these out with our other 3 marks. 1, 2, have a little vacuum to do after. 4, and 5 over here. Should have my headlight on. Alright. That's our 5 holes there. Lower part of the deflector here. So we'll put 5 of these screws that come with it in here. Using the drill, you gotta be careful because you can't get these in too tight. So I'm just going to the very tight, and then I'll finish them off, hand tightening them, because you could strip these out because all this does is go through the plastic. And then we'll get all 5 of these in. Or you could put this on a really low setting to where it won't allow you to over torque. These 2 pieces are actually the latches. They have 2 little square slots over here, one here that they sit in, and they will allow that top lid to latch down, so they sit in here like that. And then we'll be drilling holes right here and right there so they stay in place. And then when that lid presses in here, that allows it to be a hinge to open or close. And then it's got a rubber piece that latches onto there to keep it shut. That's an important thing to check every time to make sure those latches are connected on both sides, because I've been out riding my other ski and jumping and stuff, and before I know it, the lid flies open. You could lose all your stuff, and a lot of time when that lid flies open, it will come out of this hinge here and into the water and be gone. So these, just drill those out with the 5.5 millimeter bit. Here again, I'm just using this to go so far, just to snug, and I will finish that off with the hand tool. So a little tighten it. Alright. Go back over it with this one here. Just to make sure it's nice and snug, but yeah, you'll feel it when it's nice and snug, but not stripping. There's that. This is the top lid piece, which this piece fits right into a hinge piece that you just press into there. It also, the kit with the screws comes with several bumpers that just push into here. And this is just to keep the plastic from vibrating on each other over time. It'll just tear up the plastic. So just push all those bumpers into there, help protect when it's riding on top of that. Okay, so now we got these in here. They just kind of protect the rubber and the plastic from beating on each other. And this hinge pretty much just pops in place. Yep, and you'll hear it snap in place. And if it's snapped in there correctly, it should just open and close fairly easy. These latches should line up. Oh, this is nice because they're nice and new, so just hard to stretch here. Unlike my other ones that are a few years old. Okay, had a little Chinese intermission, because this is probably, no, it's made in Canada. This is actually an actual OEM Sea-Doo part. Anyway, one of these tabs wasn't really in there correctly, so I had to get that in there right. Anyway, so this hinge piece locks down into here. You'll hear it click, boom. Should rotate up back and forth there. So once you get this hinge piece snapped into place, these two latches just stretch out and go over to there. And like I said, make sure both sides are closed completely, otherwise you'll lose gear and you'll lose this lid. And that's it for the 2021 Sea-DooTrixx, same as the 19 storage bin. Thanks a lot.